Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
Have
whoops.
you ever seen these? They're called runts. You have to go potty.
No.
People
People could
sure?
trade me these for a bunch of Smarties.
Have you
Look
ever
at me,
seen
I
these?
got it.
Look at these. They're called runts. And they're like little pieces of fruit.
Can I?
Look, whoopsie. Look, there's the shape of a banana.
Ooh, can I try one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try an apple.
Want to try one? And they taste just like fruit. This is an orange. Try the grape. Grape is good. Piece of a banana.
Sours.
Want another one?